Today, let's talk about vehicle maintenance. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So there is a confusion out there that all we need to do is change the oil on our car. That's the only maintenance that's required. But that is not really true, and we have to be a little careful. Make sure that you interview the company that's doing your oil changes for you and see what they're actually checking and what they're not. So I'm going to walk around this car, not walk around, but kind of point to a few things real quick, just so you know. So we do change the oil and filter regularly. Don't forget about the coolant, antifreeze, radiator fluid, whatever you want to call it, to make sure that that radiator is flushed regularly and that fluid is in good shape. We have transmission fluid. That should be taken care of well. And if we have a four-wheel drive, we might have differentials as well. Our engine air filter should be looked at regularly. If it's dirty, we want to make sure that gets changed. We also have a filter inside the car called the cabin air filter on a lot of cars. So that should be changed regularly to protect the air that blows on our face. We want to look at the tires regularly, make sure the pressures are up, make sure the date codes look good. We don't want the tires to get too old. On our batteries, we want to make sure that the cables stay clean and tight. So they might need some cleanup. We do have some other things like brake fluid and power steering fluid. It should be checked, really shouldn't drop. Brake fluid will drop a little bit over time, but by the time it's low, we probably need some brakes. Make sure our belts and hoses are in good shape. Check every light on the car, because you don't want to be traveling and get a ticket because you have a license plate light out or something like that. And probably make sure that our wiper blades are in good condition. I think that covers most of the stuff, just to give you a general idea of there's a lot more to maintenance than just oil changes. If you have any questions, always give us a call. But until next time, safe travels, blessings to you.